The day that I'm hoping would never arrive is finally here. It is my last day in Accra, in Ghana, in the absolute paradise that I love to come. So basically, we just got up nice and early. It's just before 8 o'clock right now. We've had breakfast, I've had a bath, I've got my suitcase right over there, and now pretty much I need to start packing my bag, see what I can fit in there, and I'm gonna start making the trip back home. So sad to leave this country, but I had such an amazing time. Thank you guys all and girls all so much for all the positive support, all the reinforcements, all the likes, all the comments, all the messages. It means so much to me. But we're gonna pack up now. Still got a couple more things to do. Head to the airport and take you guys on the journey back and show you the airport, show you just the last few little things we can get in before we have to leave. I have no idea how I'm gonna fit everything into this bag. If you guys know, I took hardly anything with me to Ghana because all my nice clothes, everything that I wanted was here. So currently I got this, just your normal regular size travel bag, and you try and fit most of that clothes, all of those cupboards also full with clothing, into this bag. Got some things here, got some couple laptops I have to bring with, some camera gear, and then most of these drawers are also full that then I need to try and pack into this bag. So got quite a lot of things to do in not so much time. Got all my GoPro attachments, got all hair products and everything. So let's see how much we can fit in there and how much we can take back with us. So we're pretty much all packed up. You can see this bag, if you saw my initial video with what I came to Ghana in and what I'm leaving with, it is quite drastically different. That's all going in cabin luggage, that's going in cabin luggage. And then I've got this outfit to wear on the plane, which I'll show you later. And then I just need to pack my jeans still, but these were a little bit wet, so I'm just hanging them over there to dry out. And then at least the hardest part and the main part is all taken care of. Bag is packed. Fresh haircut. Clayton hooked me up with it just before I leave because it's just so much easier getting it done here by him instead of trying to get one done overseas. And then the coronavirus results just got delivered, and if anyone knows, when you're traveling, it is nerve-wracking getting these, because even if you feel 100%, you always have that thought back in your mind, what happens if you happen to pick it up and you're asymptomatic? What happens if you get a false positive? So we got the results, and at the very top of the page it says SARS-CoV-2 RNA results not detected, miscellaneous test. I'm just making sure I don't have any personal information on here. So it says it is all cleared. I can take this now. It's been stamped, it's been signed, everything is done. I can take this with me, pack my carry-on bag, throw my suit on, and let's head to the airport. We have just got into the lounge right now. I didn't film anything of the whole process going through, but it was really smooth, really impressive. Before you even enter the airport, there's a whole lot of different aisles you have to go through to make sure that it's filtered, to make sure no one who isn't meant to be entering the airport is entering. Once you enter, there's almost like an AI robot type machine you walk through that automatically measures your temperature, and you see it on a TV screen with your picture on it, which is really cool. Really well done, Ghana, for that. After that, went through, they do about 2 or 3 checks to make sure you got a negative PCR test, you got the right visas, you can be traveling to the countries under all these restrictions. And then from there we're escorted into the lounge. Got my mom, got my brother behind me, and you can see really nice. And then just this side is where all the airplanes are, so you get an absolutely beautiful view of everything taking off and landing. So we're just going to chill here for a while. Got about 30-40 minutes. Going to drink some water, going to hydrate because it is extremely hot. But luckily I'm flying out with my brother, so he'll be giving me company until Dubai, until we part our separate ways. But just going to spend some time with the family. You can see a little bit better view of the lounge. This is obviously just one of the sections with some snacks, some salads. I love the artwork throughout the whole lounge. It's really gone in, really African theme. And then all your different types of whiskey, your Henny, your Jack Daniels, Johnny Walker. Got Clayton there preparing, I don't know what that is, a Guinness. And then we make our way here. You can see absolutely spectacular views sweeping all the way down. Then you got the one side of the lounge down there, another section goes that side, and then you got your entrance this way where you have another seating area, some more drink fridge and all that. So I'm just going to look at the snacks now and then go and join the family, spend the last 20-30 minutes with them before we hop on the plane.